Buying your own home in the U.S. just got harder. The government has passed new regulations meant to head off another housing meltdown, and those rules went into effect today. The regulations aim to keep buyers from getting into loans they can't afford, but they could also shake the foundations of the housing market recovery. Ginger Vaughn reports.
Buying the American dream may have just gotten a little harder. Starting this month, the ability to repay rule goes into effect, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says banks have to make sure new home loans are affordable, which means more scrutiny of pay and bank records, a result of the 2010 Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act.
The new rules mean lenders need to be even more careful who they give loans to, which could be tough on potential home buyers and banks.
Last 5.
But veteran realtors like Greg Valerie says banks have been clamping down for a while now.
I actually don't think it's going to have much of an effect because the last couple of years, the lenders have really been restrict, and they've really been cutting back on what they were approving and not approving. So for the most part, they've been policing themselves.
The new rule means that qualified mortgages will be provided to people who have debt-to-income ratios less than or equal to 43%. This helps ensure consumers are getting what they can afford. In addition, during a temporary transition period, loans that don't have a debt-to-income ratio of 43% but meet government or other standards will be considered qualified. The days of getting a loan with little documentation and exploding adjustable rate mortgages are over. Valerie says the changes may help lower-income communities stay safe from defaulting.
Certain areas and certain communities, I think it's a good thing because lenders will say, yes, you can have this, and then they sit back, and then these people are defaulting on, they're just defaulting left and right in certain communities and, basically destroying communities.
Valerie adds smaller banks could be hurt if they don't have the capital to retrain and hire more staff to adapt to new underwriting policies. But for home buyers in healthy housing markets like Houston, he sees 2014 as the time to buy. Ginger Vaughn, CCTV, Houston.